I've always said I don't like Chick-fil-A coffee, but for whatever reason, I have discovered the frosted coffee, and it is just the best thing in the world. Delicious. So, if you have not tried a Chick-fil-A frosted coffee, go grab one. Addie, what are we doing today?
I got my fish.
Show me your fishing stuff. What do you got?
This. It's just
Is that your stuff for fishing? What do we have to go buy?
a fishing boat for Add.
Fishing pole for Addie?
Fishing boat for Add.
All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Good morning and happy Thursday. We are headed out on a family fishing adventure this morning. Addie's first time fishing. Let's do it. So we landed here at Paris Lake. If you guys watch my grandparents' channel on Southern Country Living, they visit Paris Lake a good bit and walk around the lake sometimes. So some of you may be familiar with this. There are geese here. I think we're gonna feed some geese after we fish maybe. And Jonathan is getting Addie's fishing pole ready to go. It's another windy day. Seems to be a trend this week. Honestly, just crazy to me that Addie's old enough to be fishing. I am kind of brought back to memories of her being a very little baby, not even born yet in one of them. Brought back to memories of some pictures that we have of Jonathan getting a little toddler fishing pole for Christmas whenever we were expecting with Addie. And then the first time that Addie went to one of Jonathan's tournament weigh-ins, she touched the fish. It was so funny. We all got such a kick out of that. And then even just like simple things, her just exploring his fishing poles and things whenever he was out in the yard, maybe running line and things like that. And so it's just super cool that she's now able to start fishing herself. You know, Jonathan is an avid fisherman, and I know he's gonna really enjoy passing that on to Addie. I hope it's something she'll enjoy. I was never really into fishing by any means. I love to go out on the boat, but I've never partaken in that fishing, except for once. One time we were out, and Jonathan would maybe correct me on this, but I think we were catching white bass, and it didn't matter. I mean, you just threw a hook out there, and you were catching a fish every single time. We probably caught, between me and him and his brother that day, it was a Sunday evening, it was beautiful. We probably caught 35 fish in 15 minutes. It was insane. And that was the only time I fished and enjoyed fishing. but a whole lot of wind. John, this is what it's all about. But it is just so fun to watch Addie kind of grow into that and learn new hobbies, learn new things. I guess like I loved, she obviously didn't know what she was doing, and I hated that we didn't catch any fish, right? But she kept wanting to do it. She would talk you through it. She would say, push the button and reel. She didn't quite figure out the casting. She's not there just yet, but she'll be there soon. Push the button and reel. It was very cute. And she was, you know, she was doing really good with the reeling by the end of it all. So it's just so cool to see your kids learn new things and have fun doing new things. And so I'm excited to see how that, you know, continues to grow for her. You have fun today? What was your favorite part of fishing?
What was your favorite part?
Eating lunch afterward? Guys, we are wrapping up. What day is today? Do you remember?
Monday.
No, it's Thursday.
It's Tuesday.
We are wrapping up Thursday. Did we go fishing today?
Yeah.
Was that so fun? Was it fun? Where are you going?
I will get you.
I can't see you.
Yes, we can.
But everybody else can't see you. I guess just Avery will have to be on it. Okay, Aves. Now, we are wrapping up Thursday. We had a super fun day. Avery is very ready for bed. So anyway, we are wrapping up Thursday. It's been a good day. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you tomorrow.